We're on pipeline again. This time I hope the camera survives past the launch. We're in the back row, and we're excited to ride it again, see if it's a little different back here.
Time to starfish.
Starfish! Ah!
It was awesome. Ejected at different times. Long at the beginning.
So long.
It was really way up at the end. And then at the end, like when we were stopping, I went up.
Yeah.
And I didn't get to that.
Yeah. There was definitely more in the back there, which was kind of crazy. My arm is sleepy. Yeah, I mean, okay, so it was definitely shakier. Not just the rattle, it was shakier back here, but it was faster.
It was faster.
Like, the front was like...
It was a different experience.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, I'm glad we did both of them. I think the front's like way smoother and like more graceful and overall a better experience, but it is crazy back here. And honestly, I didn't even notice after the launch that we were in the back row. Like, I was very distracted by the rest of the ride, so I wasn't like mad that we weren't in the front.
But you can see.
Yeah, like it was just fun. That's my take on that. My crotch hurts a little more now, I think. I was starfishing all over the place. So that puts a lot of pressure on that area.